triangle pose, trikonasana, my eccentric variation of the pose. If you have not seen my explanation for the basic triangle pose, please watch that because I teach it in a way that is different than in most yoga classes and teacher trainings. This is a strong variation of the pose rather than a hypermobile variation of the pose. For the eccentric variation of trikonasana, step the feet wide, turn the front toes forward, become long through the spine, and maintain a straight, meaning not side bending spine, but allow the natural curvature of the spine to take place. You can take any arm variation, anything from hands to heart center, to hands behind the head, to reaching up overhead. By the way, that would be in order of easiest to hardest arm variation, with actually the hardest possible being you hold something like a heavy cork block over your head. We will, for demonstration purposes, take the hands to heart center, and all we are doing is we're combining breath with movement so that when we exhale, we lean. When we inhale, we come back up. The reason this is an eccentric variation of the pose is because of the breath count. We will breathe in to begin the exercise, or the pose, or the vinyasa, or however you want to think about it. And when we exhale, we will lean and count our exhalation for 6, maybe 8 seconds if you have worked your way up to that. And then when we inhale, that's a 2-second rise back upwards. For this video, we will do 6 seconds down, 2 seconds back up, but you could also do, for example, 8 seconds down and 4 seconds back up. So we're spending more time on the lowering phase, and then we, not quickly, we're not springing back up, but our journey back upward is brisk. So let's practice. We'll start with the hands at heart center, draw the shoulder blades back, tuck the chin, become long through the spine. Take a breath in through the nose. Exhale as you lean for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I forgot to mention you'll pause here for 2 seconds and then inhale 2, 1 to neutral. Okay, so 6 as we lower, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 2, then inhale for 2 as you straighten. Then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 2, then inhale for 2. Okay? Repeat this pose on the other side, and you can begin to slow the breath even more and even more as you become more comfortable with the pose. Be sure not to bend through the side, because the point of this pose is to maintain strength in the obliques on the top side of the body, not to reach the floor. Thank you for watching.